just one time. Go ahead. RG. I hear a whole lot of doubling and tripling and quadrupling. I'm going to tell you who I heard, and then I'm going to ask the other ones while I try to space them out. I got Oscar Bravo, Kilo India, Romeo Golf. Who was the one with Papa?
This is a Hallicrafters S-38B. The S-38 series was a very popular series of table model AM and shortwave radios made by Hallicrafters. This particular unit I purchased from a fellow collector here in town. The power switch has failed, but fortunately it has failed in the on position, so I have to plug and unplug the radio to turn it off and on. Also, the volume control knob is not original Hallicrafters. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. Radio-wise, you just heard some hams on 40 meters. By putting this switch over here in the CW position, the BFO will allow the demodulation of single sideband signals as well of course as CW, and then it also has an AM position for listening to broadcast as well. In order to remove the chassis from the radio, the knobs have to be removed, and the tuning and band spread knobs require a special tool. A set of the tools can be purchased on eBay, but for a price that's actually probably more than what the radio is worth. So since the radio basically works pretty well on most of the frequency coverage, I'm going to basically leave it as is right now. We can also tune in some shortwave broadcasters here.
Taking place in America. Verse 4. Then all the elders of...
Oh, and Christ is going to reign.
What? Highlight a few clues out of Hebrews today. I'm going to ask you to turn in your Bible.
De la población. De la población, básicamente, yo diría, son cristianos que pertenecen a otras iglesias cristianas. Nosotros tenemos las iglesias cristianas.